My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. I'm still at the Kia Forte. Gentleman needs to get the parts. The parts are very expensive because this is a Kia Forte. So with the labor and the parts being so expensive, we like to give people options. So how much was the parts for the total? We look for the oxygen sensor, we look for the brakes, we look for a speed sensor. How much was it total at Advance?
It was 188 for the O2 sensor, the rear brakes was 60, and then the ABS sensor was 92. So, I mean, we're coming up on close to 400 bucks.
Okay, so we still are going to be at the synthetic oil change. You can get that at Walmart. The negative battery terminal, you don't have to go to the dealership. You can actually go to Advance or AutoZone and just get the whole entire kit. What I would suggest, because the labor will be $637, he paid $95, which will go towards that. He's still looking at up towards $1,000. If it was me in my situation, I would go to Amazon. What you would do is you would put the year, make, model, and engine size on Amazon and type in oxygen sensor. What's going to happen is you're going to see a whole bunch of oxygen sensors coming up. You're going to hit on the very top, you're going to hit filter. Then you're going to choose the one you like. You want to go by the one that has a lot of stars on it. You're going to click it. The screen's going to come all the way up, and it's going to either say need more information or going to give you the green mark. So he could pay a fraction of the cost if he goes to Amazon and gets majority the oxygen sensor, the rear brakes, the ABS speed sensor. If you're in doubt what it looks like, yes. If you're in doubt what it looks like, yes. See how the prices are?
No, that was 188 from Advance.
Yeah, see, there you go. So now we're going to click on this. It's going to ask for more information somewhere up here. Oh, not here. See? Now go ahead and click on that, and you're going to put in your information. And this is how you know that you're going to get the correct part. You have to do this. And that part by itself was, you said $189 for oxygen sensor?
Yeah, it was 188 versus 75 on Amazon.
Same
over
parts.
half off. Over half off.
Same parts. It's just they buy in bulk, just like Walmart. I'm not being sponsored to say any of these items. I'm here to save people before profit. This is our vehicle right here. This is what we do. We give you options. I choose not to get the parts and upcharge the customer because that's what I choose to do. Everybody's completely different. We want you to save money. All right, so did it fit?
Oh, I actually didn't fill it all the way. I don't remember if it's EX, LX, or SX. Do you know?
It shouldn't matter. Hit continue. Slide up. And it does not fit.
So it might just not fit the EX. I might need to double check exactly which one. But to your point, it's not going to let me buy the wrong part.
Exactly. And it's going to be 3 times cheaper. Now right here, the rear brakes, you're going to get them a lot cheaper. When you go look at the rear brakes, it was like $60-something in the store. You can get it for $30 to $40 for the exact same brand or quality. You can get the synthetic oil. The battery terminal you'll get in the store. The ABS sensor you can get on Amazon. My point in my story is, instead of him spending almost $500 to $600 on parts, because we haven't got them all together yet, plus $637 to track 95, he probably would spend $300 for all these items right here. Oxygen sensor, rear brakes, synthetic oil change, terminal was only like $15 at Advance or AutoZone, and his speed sensor. So he's saving himself a lot of money. This is what it's all about. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that share button. Thank you.